I knew to me what was there. You mean everything to me. Have to swear to say, keep this out of my chest. We should always by my side. And I'll be waiting to tell me